Zoe, did you hear about Mark?
No, what happened?
He quit his job yesterday, just like that.
No way! He's worked there for years.
I know. It was a big surprise.
Why did he leave?
I think he wants to start his own business.
Wow, that actually makes sense. He never liked working in an office.
True. But leaving without a plan? I'm not sure.
Maybe he does have a plan. We just don't know it yet.
Maybe. I hope it works out for him.
Me too. He's really smart and creative.
Do you think he'll tell us more on Friday?
Probably. Let's wait and see.
Okay. Still, no way he just left like that.
Life is full of surprises, Ethan.
Let's review the words. No way. You say no way when you're very surprised about something. It can mean I can't believe it or really. You can also use it to say I don't want to do it in a strong way. Example, no way. You met a famous actor? That's crazy. That makes sense. You say this when something is easy to understand or logical. It means the idea or explanation is clear and correct. You use it to show you understand what the other person said. Example, now I see. He left early because he had a meeting. That makes sense. I'm not sure. You say this when you don't know the answer or can't decide. It shows you need more time to think or you don't have enough information. It's a polite way to say you don't know something exactly. Example, I think the train is at 5 p.m., but I'm not sure. Now that you know the 3 new expressions, let's listen to the dialogue again. That was English Expressions Dialogue. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn on the bell for more fun English dialogues. See you next time.